it is hard to find a suitable model from dozens of machines. Today, recommend you QT4-15 block machines. This model block machine is working by the hydraulic pressure and vibration. It can make the blocks with very high densities, and the price is very favorable to compared with other hydraulic block machines, and the capacity is medium. So this is a very suitable model to start the automatic block machine production lines. We have the ready block machines, so just need the time to produce the mold, because the mold is customized according to the blocks you want to make. Save your time. Bye bye.